This is a specific stock number cab. It is nothing special, except it's all complete. Well, looks like there's a radio missing out of it. Got some funky tin on the windows. So a lot of these accessories are not included. Wide mirrors, beacon, other wide mirror. All this stuff here stays on it. And then we've removed the modules in the wiring harness from behind there. So replacement level tractor for a construction style or construction use, meaning it's not an Iowa or a Minnesota barn kept tractor, but everything's there. We just sold one of these a month or so ago for like $25,000. This one here, we're going to discount it just because of the, you know, it's not quite as pretty, but you get the gist of what we're selling as far as a replacement level cab.